Good morning. Today is a very special day. Where are we going today?
To LAX to pick up Kim.
I'm gonna go get my auntie.
You excited?
We're gonna pick up our auntie, mommy.
We're gonna go pick up my future wife, so I'll see you guys there. We made it here to LAX. We're here parked on the roof. Hi Mav. Mav's gonna see his new aunt.
Yay!
Eve's gonna meet her new aunt. Come here, babe. Look at back out. Look at Matt. This is
Why am I crying?
Weird. My mom,
Kim is in America. It's cold in America. Experiencing cold for the first time. We're gonna go eat some Mexican food, some real Mexican food in America. Excited?
Yeah.
Hungry? Not really. Oh, you ate the airplane food. I'm going the right way? Yes.
I like these.
Oh, this place?
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat here. It's called Frijoles Mexican Restaurant. Kim's first food in America is some authentic Mexican food. We got our food. You wanted a small quesadilla. I think it's huge.
Kim is only having quesadilla, but look how huge.
Everything's big.
And I got the enchiladas. Yeah, it's on.
Kim's first meal in the US.
Yeah. Let's eat.
Here they come. They're pulling up to their house. There's Matthew and Kim and my daughter Lily.
No more
This
video
is your
call.
house. No more video call, yeah. See Lily's drawing.
What the heck?
Of you guys. You didn't see that last night.
Yeah, I look cool, huh?
You look better in the drawing.
What?
Hey.
I think I started. She's not that heavy. Stop exaggerating.
We're home.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa, thank you.
What do you think?
I'm gonna cry.
A tour of our backyard. Gonna be a lot of videos and updates to the backyard coming soon. There's my motorcycle. We're gonna make more videos on the bike too. Let's take a tour of the garage.
You're still angry at me? Wow! So big.
You like your gym?
People pay for this.
Huh?
People pay for this, and we have it.
I know, huh? This is our personal gym. We're gonna make some workout videos in here too. Here's the grom. Have a seat on the grom. Put your foot over. Yeah, let me see. Wow, perfect size.
It's heavy, D. It's gonna hold down.
Hold on. Okay. Get your leg up. Get it up. Get over.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look at the RCs.
Okay. You have 3? Oh my god, this is so big. I didn't know this is this big.
Yeah.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think